With their huge eyes, silent flight, and fierce hunting skills, owls are some of the most fascinating creatures that inhabit our planet. But how much do you really know about these enigmatic birds? In this video, we will share 10 incredible facts about owls that will make you see them in a whole new light. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the wonders of nature. Number 1. Owls can turn their heads almost 360 degrees. Have you ever tried to look behind you without moving your body? Most people can only turn their heads about 150 degrees to either side, but owls can rotate their necks up to 270 degrees, allowing them to see almost all the way around themselves without moving their bodies. This ability is due to the unique structure of their neck vertebrae, which have a specialized joint that allows for more flexibility than in other birds. Number 2, every owl species is a master of camouflage. If you've ever seen an owl in its natural habitat, you may have noticed that it blends in perfectly with its surroundings. This is no accident. In fact, every owl species has evolved to have a coloration that helps it to camouflage itself in its environment. For example, the snowy owl has white feathers that help it to blend in with the snow-covered landscapes of the Arctic. Meanwhile, the brown owl has a more muted coloration that helps it to hide among the trees in its native range. Number 3. An owl's tongue is like Velcro? Have you ever wondered how an owl manages to catch and eat its prey? The answer lies in its specialized tongue. Unlike the tongues of most other animals, an owl's tongue is covered with tiny hooks that make it incredibly sticky. This allows the owl to catch slippery prey such as fish and snakes with ease. In fact, an owl's tongue is so effective at catching prey that it can even hold on to its food while the owl is flying. No. Some owls can live up to 30 years in the wild. Most animals don't live to see their 30th birthday, but some owl species can live up to 3 decades in the wild. The secret to their longevity is still not fully understood, but experts believe that their nocturnal lifestyle and specialized diet may play a role. After all, owls are generally less active during the day when temperatures are at their highest, and they often eat small rodents that are high in protein and low in fat. Number 5. Owls are found on every continent on Earth. If you're an owl enthusiast, you're in luck. These amazing birds can be found on every continent on Earth, from the Arctic Circle to the warm deserts of Africa. In fact, there are over 200 species of owls worldwide, each with its unique adaptations and behaviors. So, no matter where you live, you're probably not far from an owl's watchful gaze. Number 6. Owls are one of the most hunted birds in the world, unfortunately. Owls are often targeted by humans and other animals because of their perceived threat to livestock and poultry. In some cases, owls have been poisoned or shot by farmers who believe they are killing too many of their animals. However, owls are actually an important part of the ecosystem and play a vital role in controlling rodent populations. Number 7. An owl's beak can determine its diet. Have you ever noticed how an owl's beak seems perfectly suited for catching fish or rodents? That's because the shape of an owl's beak can tell you what it eats. For example, the short and stout beak of a barn owl is perfect for catching and tearing apart small rodents such as mice and voles. Meanwhile, the long and thin beak of a great horned owl is better suited for catching fish and other aquatic animals. Number 8. In some cultures, owls are considered symbols of wisdom. Owls have been revered as symbols of wisdom and knowledge in many cultures throughout history. In ancient Greece, owls were associated with Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and were often depicted on coins and sculptures. Similarly, in Native American cultures, owls were often seen as messengers from the spirit world and were highly respected for their knowledge and insight. Number 9. Owls are more active during the winter months. While most animals hibernate or slow down during the winter months, owls are actually more active than ever. That's because their prey, such as rodents, are more active during the winter. And owls need to eat more to keep their energy levels up. In fact, owls have been known to double their hunting efforts during the winter months to ensure they have enough food to survive. Number 10. Owling is a real thing. If you've ever heard the sound of an owl's call and felt a sudden urge to explore the night with equal ferocity, you may be experiencing something called owling. It's a real phenomenon that affects some people and can lead them to stay up all night to watch owls or visit owl-themed locations. While it's not yet fully understood, Experts believe that owling may be triggered by the mysterious and elusive nature of owls, as well as their association with wisdom and magic. Owls are truly amazing creatures that continue to captivate us with their beauty and mystery, from their ability to turn their heads almost 360 degrees to their specialized diet and unique calls. These birds are unlike any other. So the next time you hear an owl's call in the night, take a moment to appreciate the wonder that it represents, and marvel at the amazing adaptations that allow these birds to thrive in habitats around the world.